Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your airport lounge key access perk if you have the Jade, Indigo, Icy White, Rose Gold, or the Obsidian Black card. So what you're going to want to do is go to loungekey.com. You'll then click create an account, and if you don't see it like on this web page, then you'll click log in, and then you'll have a don't have an account right here, and then you can click create one here. And then you'll want to have your physical crypto.com Visa debit card with you, and put the name on the card, enter the full payment card numbers, just basically all the details for it, and then just confirm it, and you'll have an account with Loungekey. And just remember that the benefit does not expire after your Crow staking period ends, so even if you unlock your Crow, you'll still get this benefit. So now if you're curious about how to use it when you go to the airport to go into one of the airport lounges, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you've activated the card on Loungekey, and you can also install the app as well. And then on your crypto.com app, you'll slide the little slider. It says enable international usage. It's under the card section with the card icon in the upper right hand. So just go to the card settings. And probably the biggest thing that a lot of people will forget is that you do need a balance on the card. And that's because they need to make sure that your card's valid, it's working, it's active and everything. And basically, if you're a Jade Indigo debit card holder, then you'll need $3.25 on your crypto.com debit card. So not the fiat wallet, but make sure it's topped up onto the card. This will end up being refunded back into your debit card. So it's pretty much the only perk that's not reimbursed in Crow. And if you have the Icy White, Rose Gold, or Obsidian Black, then you'll get the +1 guess. So you'll actually need the $3.25 on the card for yourself, but then you'll also need $32 on the card for your guess, which that will also be reimbursed at like the end of the month or however long it takes. It says it'll be released within 30 days from the transaction date. And a big part, like I mentioned before, is you need to enable the international transactions in the crypto.com app as well. So just make sure you have enough funds on the Visa card, like it says here, and then also make sure the international transactions are enabled as well. And so you guys can go and read all the details on this and the links that they have for everything. And once you've created your account, I actually have BlueStacks now, so this is kind of like an emulator that basically like a phone. So I'm in Google Play Store right now, and I actually just went into Loungekey. So I'm in my Loungekey app right here. And as you can see, I have these favorited because I went to Disney World. We can go into one of these and kind of just check it out. We can see what they have, air conditioning, alcoholic drinks, and we can kind of slide these and look at all the different things. Like there's a nice little bar of food, some nice seating, looks like some video games possibly. Now if we go to this one, that's some comfy seating right there for while you wait for your flight. So it's got some nice stuff. So each one's different. As this says right here, there's like over 1,000 lounges in over 400 airports that are available for your card. So each lounge is different. Like right here, it says, what can I expect at the lounge? Basically just says a lot of them are like very different. Sometimes you can get good deals. For example, I don't know where I found it, but I copied and pasted it off of Loungekey, and I honestly cannot find it right now, but it said that each time you visit the lounge, you'll get a $28 deduction with a single visit. If you have one guest, then you'll get $56 off your bill, which will be charged just as one cardholder visit plus one guest on your account. So if you're the Icy White, Rose Gold, or above, then you get $56 off whatever you buy inside the lounge. And if you just go by yourself, then it's $28 off. But it's probably depends on what lounge you go to and everything, because I can't find where I just read that, but I copied and pasted it into my notes. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll also have some of these links down in the description so you can check them out as well. See you guys later in my next video.